Johto, Johnny's the name. Pokemon is the game. Hey, Johto Lee, hope you're all doing great. Please consider leaving a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And if you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're always Jotified for the next video. Still hunting that Charizard, everybody. So, we got a Bolton V10. Gonna hope for the best. Probably by the time this video is uploaded, Chill and Rain all ready to be out. Probably nobody will care. But hey, I do enjoy Shining Fates. So we got 6 packs. Just open them in order. Hope you all are doing well. There's the code. Okay. Tropius, Gym Trainer, Luxio, Eevee, Gossifleur, Yanma, Snom, Cuffin. Oh, I thought it was it for a second, but beautiful. We have not pulled that. And a Delmise V. So let's, oh, that would have been great. Zard, first pack. Thank you. A Centiskorch VMAX. I found top loaders, everyone, which is an amazing feat nowadays. So we'll set that guy right here. Beautiful, beautiful VMAX. That's a nice start. Oh, here's the code for you. So I hope the Johto Elite's doing well. There's the code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Cramorant. Ball Guy. Dartrix, Spinnerack, Rollit, Morpeko, Nickit, Eevee, Floatzel, and Volcanion. There's the Zard pack. Code. Energy, Gym Trainer, Floatzel, Thwackey, Horsey, Cuffin, Chewtle, Yanma, Morpeko. Oh, Baby Shiny Eldegoss and Holographic Thievul. Sleeve it up, sleeve them up. Centiskorch VMAX. Beautiful. Beautiful card. I will probably, it's not like it's the greatest Charizard in the world, but I'd probably freak out if I did pull it. Because even though I haven't had all of them on video, I have opened a very good amount of Shining Fates. Well, decent amount. I wouldn't say very good. Not like Champion's Path or anything like that. Jeez, I opened so much Champion's Path, it was insane. Yanma, Coughing, Morpeko, Horsey, Eevee, Celebi. But you guys watched, and it was great. I appreciate you for that. 2 more packs. Let's see. Come on. Everybody said the tins were great. Let's see 2 VMAXs in 1 tin. All right, Johto Elite, you agree? 2 VMAXs, 1 tin. Centiskorch, Charizard. Let's go. Let's do it. Energy. Or we'll pull another Skyla. Luxio, Eevee, Gossifleur, Chewtle, More Pico. Cacnea. Ditto. Nice. Oh, and a sky. That's a nice double banger right there. Yes. Well, I called it. Let's make it an insane 10. Let's get a Zard in next pack. Come on, Johto Lee. Summon it. Summon it. Summon it. Let's go. Just a code. Energy. Rusted Sword. Dartrix. Ball Guy. Trapinch. Weasel. Koffing. Shinx. Grookey. Decidueye. And Zarude. Johto Lee. Pretty good. I thought I had it. I really thought I had it. First pack. Oh well. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Leave a thumbs up. Johto Johnny's the name. Pokemon is the game. Johto Lee, thank you for watching. Have a great day. See you very soon.